Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like a moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, it's gonna get highlighted. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and you can swipe up then on the screen to close the quick panel. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply follow these steps. So open the quick panel, tap on the icon will change the color. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here, wake it up, unlock it, open the HAYLOU phone application on the phone. Let me actually close it and open it again. Okay, once you open it, you should see the home screen. Now tap on Me icon, select HAYLOU GS from the list of devices, and on this page, scroll down and find the option called D&D mode. Tap on it, and here you can enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch next to D&D mode option. So if you enable it and wake up the screen on your watch, open the quick panel, you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and if you disable it, it's gonna disable. Okay, you can also set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. Basically, you can set when it should turn on automatically and turn off automatically. And to do it, simply tap on Startup Time, and here we can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and we can swipe up and down on hour to set the hour, then minutes, and then tap on check mark to confirm. Next we have finish time, so this is the time on which it's gonna be turning off. And once you're done, you can close the app. Okay, and that's how you turn on, or rather enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.